Welcome back to our countdown of the top 10 most affordable and resident-approved neighborhoods around Denver. If you missed number 10 and number 9, check out the links below. I'm Denise Schilling, real estate agent, and today we're going through number 8. Lincoln Park is located just south of downtown Denver, from Colfax down to 6th and the South Platte River, which is just west of I-25, over to Spear Boulevard. It is one of Denver's oldest neighborhoods. Over 90% of the residential areas were built before the 1900s. Unfortunately, most of the houses were destroyed in the Cherry Creek floods and had to be rebuilt over the years, but much of the old character still remains. You'll find 2-story Victorians, vintage row homes, and brick bungalows. There's also been a recent large influx of new, modern condos being constructed. There are 20 structures within the neighborhood that are listed as having architectural or historical significance and are listed in the National Register of Historic Places. This area is located along Calumet and Mariposa Streets, between West 13th Avenue and Colfax. In 1885, Denver purchased a 15-acre site at West 11th Avenue and Mariposa Street named Lincoln Park. Today, Lincoln Park serves as the focal point of the neighborhood. Lincoln Park also is home to a very popular locally designated landmark, the Buckhorn Exchange Restaurant, which is located at 1000 Osage Street. It was built in 1885 and still remains a must-visit restaurant in Denver. Currently, there are 18 active listings, ranging from a 637 square foot, 1-bed, 1-bath condo listed at $285,000, to a 3,500 square foot, 1-bed, 2-bath, 2-story house listed at $1.1 million. The median market value in Lincoln Park currently is $381,000. I hope you enjoyed learning about Lincoln Park and maybe want to go check it out yourself and learn some more about it. If you have any questions, comment below or just comment and say hello. Don't forget to hit subscribe for future content every Tuesday, and I will see you next week.